Hey friends, if you like embroidery, but you want to make something that's usable and wearable, this is the perfect project. We're embroidering a baseball cap with the word yes, but this tutorial is applicable for writing any words you like on a baseball cap. Think expressions like mama bear or do what you love. This project is beginner friendly, and I only used 2 different embroidery stitches. The supplies you need are all available together in a kit from us at Pop Shop America. It's linked in the description, but you can also shop your own supplies. All you need is a baseball cap, embroidery floss, embroidery needles, a fabric marker, scissors, and some free embroidery templates that are also linked in the description. Start by drawing your design on the hat. I decided to work on the front of the hat, but you could also create your design on the side or even on the back. If you don't have a fabric marker, that's okay, just use a pen or a pencil. To outline the words, I recommend using a back stitch using all 6 threads of your embroidery floss at once. A back stitch is commonly used for outlining because it's perfect for creating borders. As you stitch, you're working along the edge of the design. Use short stitches to capture the angles and help your curved lines look more natural. If you are just getting started with embroidery, you can learn the stitches I used and a few more by clicking the tutorial linked in the upper right. The back stitch and the satin stitch are easy to learn and fundamental to embroidery. Once your outline is done, fill in the words with a satin stitch. For this, I separated my floss and just used 3 of the 6 threads. Start and finish all of your stitches on the inside of the hat so that none of your messes will show. Once you've filled in all of the letters and shapes with your satin stitch, your DIY embroidered baseball cap is finished and ready to wear. Make sure to hit that like button and follow along for even more crafty goodness from us at Pop Shop America. Happy crafting!